So today's video comes courtesy of Friday Night Hair. You guys know I love this company. It's been a minute since I've worked with them, but I'm always excited to pick new wigs from them. This time around I picked GLS 132 in the color TT27. It's this really gorgeous honey blonde color, and I think it looks so good with my skin tone. So this is a wavy bob. It's semi-asymmetrical. It's asymmetrical. It has a little bit of a slope or a slant, and then here in the back it's kind of shoulder length or a little bit below my shoulders. I am feeling this color. I want this color like permanently. Like, I look so good in this color. Like, maybe I should just do this color in all my wigs for like a month straight. Maybe I'll get tired of it at some point. But you guys know when I do Friday night hair, the hairline is always a little bit boxy. But this time around I went ahead to step my game up and customize the hairline, and it doesn't look too bad. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, stay tuned. Go to my page, go to all of my videos, and at the top you can search, and if you search Friday Night Hair, you'll be able to see all the videos I've done with this company. I've probably done at least 20. So if you go to the website, you see all their beautiful wigs. Nice amount of them I have reviewed. This here is more of like a cinnamon honey blonde. I thought it was honey blonde, and then I compare this to this. This is honey blonde. This is more of like a cinnamon rich blonde. Let me know like by name what you would call this color here, but I was calling this honey blonde, and now that I have this in my hand, I'm like, no, this is a real honey blonde, I would say. But let me know in the comment section which one you would consider honey blonde and what you would call the other one, if that makes any sense. So really quickly before we put her on, we have two combs in the front, we have a breathable cap, we have a comb in the back and adjustable straps, and that's how you'll be able to wear this wig. As far as the lace go, you only get about 1 to 2 inches of parting space, which is really the only downside to a wig from this company. But it is a lace front synthetic wig, so there is lace literally around the entire perimeter of the front of the head. So whereas this one is a 4x4, this one will go all the way, and that way you can do some really nice looks. You just don't get the parting going back, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to cut out the lace, put this wig on, and then I'll be back with my thoughts on this wig. And this is what the wig looks like on. Definitely feeling it a whole lot. From the looks of it, it doesn't look like I have to do too much to it. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of baby hair to make it look a little bit more natural. And then I'll be back. The look, I decided not to go ahead and manipulate the parting just because you don't get a whole lot. So if you do, you're only going to see about this much. So it's better to see nothing than just a little bit, in my opinion. I did take and put a little bit of powder around the hairline because since it does have dark roots, it does have knots you know, in the lace. And I don't really like to bleach the knots on synthetic wigs just because I don't want to manipulate that synthetic hair. Honestly, I don't even know if you can bleach the knots on the synthetic wigs because I've never tried. I'm just assuming you can. I definitely love this wig and I love this color on me. I'm thinking about doing this color in real life on a human hair wig. So let me know your suggestions on what I could use to achieve this color. I'm thinking maybe I'll do maybe some BW bleach and a 40 volume developer, and maybe even trying to tone it after. And then maybe if I like bleached it twice, like did it, let it process, and then rinse it out and redo it again, and then maybe do a toner. I'm thinking that probably would be a great way to do it. So yeah, if you guys know how to get this color, because I'm feeling this, like I like the ash blondes and I like all that stuff, but you really cannot go wrong with the honey blonde if you have it this perfect color. Like I'm really feeling myself right now. Only thing I'm missing is some poppin' parting. So be sure to leave a comment or tips or suggestions on how to get this color by DIYing it myself, because like I said, I really love it. This is a bob, a really beautiful bob. It is all one length, or is it asymmetrical? Oh, actually it is kind of asymmetrical, huh? This makes me feel and look so grown and sexy. I absolutely love her. The hair itself is synthetic, as I said before. The texture is pretty soft. I would say it's more silky than it is yucky, but I don't feel like it is like dumb, shiny, silky. I feel like as long as you put that powder in that parting, you can definitely pull it off and not really feel like it looks too synthetic. Right here kind of looks synthetic, but just kind of pull it apart to make it you know, look a little bit more natural. The only giveaway is right here where the color stops and ends. Kind of like I wanted to do it a little bit deeper, and I kind of find like when you see like that little piece peek through, that kind of is a giveaway for me when I see others with colored hair. But other than that, this is a beautiful wig. I didn't really see any tangling or shedding. I got a few pieces of shedding, nothing crazy or out of the ordinary at all. The cap itself fits super snug. All of their caps fit perfect on my head. I have a size 21-inch head. I usually get a small or a medium when it comes to ordering wigs that have custom wig sizes or cap sizes, and I feel like this fits snug. It's not gonna slip or slide back. I think they've used the same cap on all their wigs, because all their wigs fit me really good without it fitting or feeling loose. Especially because it's a synthetic wig. I do find a lot of synthetic wigs like need an elastic band in there, and this one definitely doesn't. And then I used the Got to Be Glued to do my baby hair, and that kind of helps to keep it from sliding in case it does not fit as tight for you. But yeah, also if you've never seen a review from them, they also give you tape, which I think is super dope. The tape is attached to the wig with the stock card. So the stock card and the tape are like attached to the wig and you cut it off, and I think it's like 3 or 4 pieces of tape. So if you're someone who likes to bond your wigs down, this is definitely one to get, because you get your tape included. And even if you don't want to use the tape, like I'm not going to use the tape for this, but you can put this in your kit, so if there's ever a time where you actually want to try tape to adhere a wig, you get a 2-for-1. So can't beat that with a bat. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have this wig linked in the description bar. I've launched a cookbook, so make sure you guys check that out. I have that in the description bar. So many more things coming, so make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell button. March is around the corner, and I will be having another wig sale coming, so make sure you check that out. Anything I have going, you guys will always hear first here on YouTube. Also follow me on Instagram, because some things are going on over there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.